Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ruko F11 Pro drones. Ruko F11 Pro drone complies with the FAA Declaration of Compliance, which you can check on the FAA website and will not affect the normal use of the drone. If you have any questions about FAA Remote ID, please feel free to contact the Ruko customer support team for assistance. F11 Pro 4K drone equipped with two powerful 11.1 volts 2500 mAh intelligent batteries provides up to 60 minutes flight time in total, giving you more fun. This 4K drone is an excellent gift for beginners, especially if you want to get your kids/friends/wife/neighbors introduced to drones. It is great for someone who wants to get into the hobby and learn how to fly drones. It comes with beginner settings that are easy for you to get started. Intelligent flight features like Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots make you fly like a little pilot to explore the fun of aerial film. Just one click, it will fly itself and film your creative video. The brushless motor has stronger power, which can make the drone fly more stably and can resist the wind of level 6. The aluminum alloy casing is more durable than others of iron motors. It is durable for a long time. Our second best drone is Viot GPS Drone. EC120 drone built-in 4K camera ensures shooting 3840 by 2160 high-resolution images and videos with rich details. 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens capture an impressively big and vivid picture from any angle. 5G FPV transmission is ultra-high reliability and low latency, provides a smooth and high-definition live streaming experience. Come with two intelligent batteries to support 50 minutes long flight time and 1 km long range. The brushless motor provides higher speed, higher efficiency and better stability to resist the wind, worry less in the difficult fly conditions. EC120 is lightweight, portable and no FAA registration needed, makes it a perfect drone for adults, travel, aerial photography, outdoor activities. EC120 is a GPS drone which ensures it has the high precision flying and RTH feature. It is a safety guarantee as it will bring your drone back to takeoff point wherever you press the RTH button, or when the drone is in low battery, signal lost condition, you shall never lose your drone. Controllable blinking lights, turn off the lights after paired, and fly it close to your kids, then turn it on to give a big surprise. Kid-proof design, without worry about your kids get hurt from the falling drone. Meanwhile, protect the propellers and motors better. Third in our list is Bokigibi Drone FPV Camera. This drone with a camera is very suitable for beginners and children, as it has user-friendly features such as one-key takeoff/landing, where the drone will automatically take off or land. The altitude hold feature allows the drone to hover in the air, while the emergency stop feature ensures the drone stops flying in any situation. This drone with camera also offers smart app control and multiple functions, allowing you to control it with your smartphone. You can fly the drone according to user-defined flight routes, and also use voice control and gesture selfie functions. You can have endless fun with 360 degrees flips, gravity sensing, speed adjustment, and the ability to add music and filters. The drone comes with two rechargeable drone batteries, extending the flight time of the mini drone to approximately 15 to 30 minutes. Fly longer without worrying about the battery. The batteries are easy to charge and replace, with built-in chips providing overvoltage protection. When the drone battery is low, the remote controller will emit a warning. Beginners no longer have to worry about losing their FPV drone. Number 4 in our best drone list is DyineeFy Mini Drone. The drone for kids is equipped with a vibrant array of LED lights that adorn its body, emitting an energetic mix of green, blue, and various other neon hues. This captivating illumination adds an enchanting ambience to the mini drone, making it a delight to fly for children, whether it be during the day or at night, indoors or outdoors. The headless mode eliminates any concerns of incorrect orientation, while the altitude hold feature allows the drone to effortlessly hover in mid-air. This facilitates the execution of various acrobatic maneuvers, such as the thrilling 360-degree flips. The speed adjustment feature allows for different levels of play, catering to the preferences of players with varying skill levels. Explore the joys of flight from a different perspective. The drone with its one-key takeoff/landing function effortlessly ascends into the sky or descends to the ground at the press of a button. Children and beginners need not fret over complicated controls or buttons. Moreover, the one-key return feature ensures that as long as the drone remains within the reachable range, it will return to the position of the remote control with a simple press of a button. This feature keeps a simpler, carefree flying experience for kids and beginners alike. Our last pick is Glorale Drone 4K camera. This 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture. Designed to deliver professional-grade imaging, our drones feature high-resolution lenses, image stabilization technology, and adjustable settings for optimal image and video capture. From scenic landscapes to action-packed adventures, our drones enable you to document your experiences like never before. With options such as GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees, you can effortlessly capture dynamic shots and perform complex maneuvers. These intelligent features allow you to focus on creativity and storytelling, while the drone handles the technical aspects of flight. Designed with portability in mind, our drones are compact and easy to carry, making them perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Foldable arms and lightweight construction enable you to pack your drone conveniently and take it wherever your journey leads. Whether you're exploring remote locations or documenting your travels, our drones are the ideal companion for capturing stunning aerial imagery on the go. 3 speed modes, you can adjust the speed to meet your operation proficiency. The auto-hovering function enables the drone to hover at current height when you release the throttle stick, more stable to achieve flips and rolls. You can start the drone with one key takeoff button, and perform 3D flip, one key spin and rotation. Lots of fun with your kids or friends.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!